Welcome to Mind. The first thing to do before accessing Mind is to check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable internet connection of at least 15 Mbps, a quiet environment, and a working microphone or headset. Also, review your case study materials ahead of time. First, log into your learning management system. Select the course that includes your case study. Next, go to the Modules section, click on Conversational Case Study Analysis, and then click to start. This will launch Mind and begin your session.
Welcome. As the CEO of Airtel Nigeria, I'm here to discuss strategies for driving growth while maintaining our leadership in key market segments. As the business development manager, you play a role in this process. We have 5 minutes for this discussion, so let's focus on key decisions for sustaining market leadership.
I think Airtel can explore the market further by ensuring that it penetrates rural areas, especially areas that do not have internet access at this time.
That's a good start. You've identified some key areas for growth. Let's delve deeper into your suggestions. First, you mentioned penetrating rural areas with internet access. How would you implement this strategy considering the challenges of infrastructure and cost?
Okay, for the rural area dwellers, I do not think they'll be able to afford the services that Airtel is looking to render. However, could Airtel convince other telecoms companies or generally other businesses to migrate to those areas to ensure that they are making money from other partners, other businesses, as opposed to depending on money coming from the rural dwellers?
That's a great point. Encouraging Airtel to move into those areas can diversify income sources and reduce reliance on rural dwellers. Thank you for the discussion. Bye.